Hey guys, this is Optimistic Trader here, and this is my first YouTube video. I've decided to start a YouTube channel to track my Forex trading progress, my consistency, and just overall my results as I try to become a professional trader. A little bit about me, I'm from Texas, I'm from the United States. I've been trading for about 2 years, and honestly, I have been struggling, but I've been very optimistic. I've been learning bits and tips here and there, and just kind of working on my trading, trying to improve, trying to really make something out of forex trading. This year, 2020 is pretty much hit me pretty hard, just like many of you. I've kind of lost my job, and that's kind of how I decided to start really focusing on forex trading. Another reason why I want to make this YouTube channel is to connect with other traders. Since I do most of my learning online, I'm also looking to connect with other traders that have some tips for me, or that can give me some sense of direction. For my journey, for the rest of my journey this year, I am going to be trading my demo account for the last two months. Okay. In the beginning of January 2021, I am planning to join a prop firm called BlueFX. So with them, they're kind of like FTMO and other prop firms. With them, they don't really have trials or challenges or combines. They just have like a subscription fee that you pay, and you're guaranteed to get funded. As you can see right here on the, let me see, where's the pen? As you can see right here, this is from their website. So basically, you can apply for a $25,000 account or a 50K. You're not liable for losses. You have three times leverage, so you'll have 75,000 buying power for the 25K, or you'll have 150,000 buying power for the 50K. On this one, they allow overnight holding. On this one, I found out that they don't. You can trade 28 currencies in gold, also on the pro account. Um, from what I've learned is that if you reach 5%, you can basically get paid. You get a payout, and that's a 50-50 split. So you'll be making 2.5% of whatever you make, and that ends up being 625 per payout. On here, 2.5% is 1,250 per payout, which is pretty good. I have a few friends in BlueFX that have already they've been getting consistent payouts. For me, I was just too focused on my job, and now that that's done with, I want to see if I can really do this myself and try to make something out of this. Another thing that I want to do with BlueFX is that they have a $1 million account opportunity, and it's only for the pro account. What you need to do is make 10% on the 50K, and they'll promote you to the 100K. But the thing is, you have to leave that 10% in your account as a buffer. If you make another 10%, which would be like a total of 115,000, they'll bump you to the 200K. And then, so you got to leave that money in there. And if you make 10% more, they'll bump you to the $1 million account. You do have to leave the total of, I believe it's $35,000 in the account. You could always choose to withdraw it later or get paid, but I do think you get demoted. But that's my goal right there. I want to be able to trade the $1 million account, and with this YouTube channel, record my journey as I hopefully I don't struggle too much. But my journey getting to this account, and just trying to change my life, and try to do things, I guess, differently, right? Let me see, did I forget anything? But yeah, you guys, that's my plan for this YouTube channel. Hopefully, you guys can subscribe and follow me. Um, BlueFX is a really good company. I've researched them. I have traded with them like 2 years ago, but I just wasn't ready, and I had the light account. But I'm thinking about jumping back into it and starting off on the pro account beginning of next year. So right now I'm trading a demo, and so far this has been my progress on the demo. Um, these last 2 months, I'm just trying to really solidify my strategy before I jump into BlueFX. So far I've gained. I think I started this account at the beginning of the month. So far I'm up 3%. I did open a demo for 50K. I'm up $1,600. My average loss is about 5 pips. My average win is about 15 pips. A profit factor of 2. I don't really uh, follow this, but I guess my best trade has been this. My worst trade has been this. But a little bit about my trading style. I am from the United States, so I trade the New York session. That's just the time I like to wake up. Um, will only be focusing on 2 to 3 pairs, mostly GBP and maybe Euro. With BlueFX, you only get 3 to 1 leverage, so I've just been kind of sticking to 2 to 1, 2 to 1 leverage. Okay. Uh, I will be scalping for about 10 plus pips, depending on what I see. My stop loss will be less than 10 pips. If I'm wrong, I just want to get out of the trade right away. If I'm right, I'll try to wait for a profit target. If not, I'll just cut it and end the day there. I'm not really the best trader or anything. I'm just trying to grow as I, you know, grow and learn and record my experience with you guys. I do use a 20 EMA for to help me trade. I think that's pretty common. But yeah, that's kind of the basis of my strategy. I'm not the best trader, like I said, but I will be recording my trades, and you guys can tell me what you think and what might help me with it. I'll also be sharing the link to my FX book. That way, you guys can track my progress and see if I don't blow up or see how I'm doing. Next year, when I do start BlueFX, I will also have a profile for my account, for my live account. That way you guys can track it and see how I'm doing. Okay. So this is BlueFX. This is their main site. With them, I want to have a career with them, and they do have a career path. You can basically open a light or a pro account with them, the 25K or the 50K, and all you need to do is make 5%, which is 2,500, and you get paid 50% of the profits, which is this much. I do know a few people that, I'm not sure how they hit 5% every month or every other month, but that's pretty neat. I'm hoping to kind of do the same. I'm still not decided yet if I'm going to withdraw or keep my money inside of the account uh, to grow it, but I guess we'll see. With BlueFX, you do have a 10% drawdown, 10% drawdown where you'll basically get emailed that you've lost that much money, and uh, I guess you just get your account reviewed. Let me see. So right here, so if you make 10% on the pro account, which is $5,000, you basically get to advance to stage 2 and receive another 50K. So you'll have the 100K account plus your 5,000 that you've made. You do have to keep that money in there in order to keep the 100K account. Okay. For stage 2, um, you do need to make another 10%, which is 10K, a total of 150K. After you get your account doubled, the drawdown remains at 10%. Right here, 10%. That's stage 2. On stage 3, you should have a total of $215,000 and you're looking to make another 10%, which is a total of $235,000. From there, uh, you'll be reaching the final stage, and then you'll be given the $1 million account to manage. At this point, you'll no longer have to pay the subscription fee that BlueFX charges. It's more like a desk fee, but it's a pretty low fee. And you also won't have any restrictions to the lot sizes and to how you hold the trades. But yeah, that's my plan with BlueFX when I join them. And I will be making more videos about my strategy. It's not the best, but like I said, I'll be looking forward to learning from you guys. And if you guys are in BlueFX, if you can share with me your experience, I will have the MyFX book link on my description. That way you guys can check my progress on that. We'll also have the BlueFX link in the description if you guys also want to look into this prop firm. Like I said, this is way better than FTMO and other prop firms that make you do challenges. This is guaranteed funding. From what I do know is that they have an algorithm that if you lose money, they don't really lose money. I guess they kind of hedge against you, but it's their money. If you make the percentages, you get paid. You're not liable. And honestly, this is they allow traders like from Africa, from Pakistan, from the UK, Australia, from anywhere in the world. And this is one of the only ones that I really do trust uh, as a trader from the United States. If you're from Mexico, Argentina, you guys can join as well. Like I said, I'll have the link in my description if you guys want to read up on it. It's BlueFX. Right here, they have a FAQ page where you can learn about the career plans, the leverage. They do have parameters that you have to follow. It's not super strict. You can trade through news events. You can only trade London and New York on the light, and then you need to be out of the trades by the end of New York. If you do have a pro account, I know you can hold overnight. So that's pretty much it. You could also get paid out in PayPal. Okay. Here's the process on how to do withdrawals and if you can use your money that you've made on the account to pay for profits, you can, but you need to reach the 5% target. So I encourage you guys to check it out and join me on this journey. I will be trading demo, like I said, for the last 2 months of this year as I save up some more money and try to have my subscription fee for the whole year next year. But yeah, you guys, if you guys don't mind following me and subscribing, following my channel, I will be trying to provide better content for you guys. If you guys do join BlueFX, message me. Maybe we can make a chat or something and push each other to greatness. Thank you so much. This is Optimistic Trader. I'll see you guys on the next video.